day when I was watching some YouTube and saw a bunch of different waters that I think it's time that I give my girls a water source that the ducks can't swim in, because I think I can literally see my chickens rolling their eyes so hard whenever I put down fresh clean water and the ducks jump in and take a bath. So I'm hoping that they're still going to use it. The jury's still out on whether or not a chicken will go and use the water feeders when there's just a big open bucket, but the ducks just get it dirty so fast. I thought that is the least I could do. I had a couple of these nipple drinkers, so, and obviously I had a bucket lying around, so I figured I would give it a try. And I'm going to show you how to do it because I'm a jack of all trades now, right? I can build anything. So what you're going to need to do this project is some chicken nipples. Who knew chickens had nipples, right? No. These are chicken waters. You can get the kind that are just the nipples or the kind that fill up in these little bowls. I'm going to do this. And you need your drill charged in a 3/8 inch drill bit. You're going to need a 5-gallon bucket, preferably one with a lid, but honestly it's not necessary. I'm just going above and beyond to try to keep stuff out of the chicken's water. A healthy chicken will give you healthy eggs or healthy meat, depending on what you're doing with it. So without further ado, the first thing we're going to do, I can't decide if I want to stick this on the ground or if I'm going to hang it. It'll probably be pretty heavy, but either way, I'm going to put mine on the side. You can use these either on the side or vertically, I think they said. Yeah, you can flip it and do it vertically so that they hang off the bottom, but I think I might end up sitting on some ground, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them on the side. So you're going to put your bucket on its side and go ahead and drill a hole. Woo! That was faster than I thought it was going to be. And then, hi Munchkin. After you drill your hole, that was so easy. You know what? I probably should have drilled this lower so that when the water is down to here, it won't need to be refilled, because now where I drilled this hole, whenever the water gets lower than this mark, I'm gonna have to refill it again. But like I said, it's my first time. We can always get a new bucket. This is the important part. I have a million of these. It's fine. So now you are gonna want to screw this in. Nice and tight. Make it snug, and I probably stretched that too much. There we go. And now on the other side, I'm gonna put it lower so that I don't make that same mistake again. For my chicks and my silkies, nice and low. Try to get that from falling in. Back in. And we're gonna screw this in. I don't have any plumber's tape or glue, so I am praying silent prayers right now that this will be tight enough. Now that our cups are on, we're gonna fill this bad boy up with some water and see if it works, because it's just like me for this to be a total fail. Here we go. Now the way that this is supposed to work is, let me see if the water's past here. We'll do it on this one. It's not supposed to be full all of the time, just when the chickens, you can see it, peck it, the water comes out. That way it stays nice and full. And yeah, I'm thinking 5 gallons of water is going to be too heavy to hang. So I think I'm going to set this on the ground. I was thinking about hanging it from my shepherd's hook where we do their cabbage volleyball or tetherball. But I don't think that's going to be a good idea. So we're going to go ahead and finish filling this up, and I'll get back to you when we're ready to place it. It's nice and full, so we're going to put the lid on it. I hope I can carry it. Oh, it isn't easy, but I got it. I could probably get a couple more nipples on this. Let's bring it over here. What do y'all think? I think they're expecting food, not water. Why is this just like my life? I put in fresh water and everybody's drinking the dirty water out of the ducky bucket. I filled that up just a few hours ago. And I heard that's what would happen. I heard that, like, when in doubt, the big open source of water is what they're going to go for instead of the smaller one that I thought the lovely water that I just, since it wasn't deep enough for the ducks to swim in, the baby ducks. So maybe you don't want to try this. Maybe still water's always a time for you. But I think this is really chickens and ducks together. You have to get creative. Ducks make. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. As always, they'll drink anything. They're disgusting. But if you think that you want to try it, I'm going to keep it up because I think I have some chickens who are going to use it. It's up to you. Happy flocking.